out of context na
Lagot na.
Please just play the video.
Ikaw, Jerry,
Ikaw yung nagtanong eh. Pero medyo may iba
I
naman
said
ako.
it.
Ano naman ang comment mo dun sa mga kumakanta sa mga hearing? Nagkakanta ka. Kasi minsan yung lumabas din yung kay Sam kasi di ba yung may interview, yung mga lifestyle.
Oo, we saw that. But I said,
Oo.
I don't think anyone's gonna take that seriously given his reputation in business for the past how many years. So, in fairness naman, hindi naman din.
Pero affected ka rin yung naglabasan na yung limpak-limpak na pera na naka-impact sa
I
mga...
am very emotionally affected because nakakagalit talaga lahat na nangyayari. I've always had this, this is also why I was very hesitant nung tatakbo si Sam because I grew up in the Philippines where, alam mo yon, being in the government is synonymous almost with what do you call this?
Corruption?
With corruption, yes. So ikaw nagsabi nun.
Oo. Kahit everywhere pinag-uusapan ngayon talaga eh.
And as we should, because this conversation has been a long time coming already. I've been hearing the word corruption since I was a toddler. So, alam mo yun, I think it's a good thing that all of this is coming out. Hopefully, in our next round of elections, sana, the people that come into this position na may masamang intentions, mas mahihirapan na sila gawin yung balak nila.
Pero nakakaramdam ka rin ba ng takot? Kasi sa ibang bansa, Nepal, Indonesia, may mga nagra-riot na ng mga kumbaga parang nagre-resort na sila sa parang revolusyon, ng ganon, talagang
I still believe that Filipinos are fairly peaceful people. Kasi sa lahat ng mga race, I feel like kung may taong may karapatan magalit for all of these years and for so many reasons, tayo ang may karapatan at tayo ang may dahilan. And yet, alam mo yun, we could have had riots every year, di ba? I mean, every year naman tayo pinabaha, nakakagalit na talaga. But I believe we're still a very peaceful people and hopefully we can get through this without anyone getting physically hurt.
At syempre, may concert pa kayo eh. Kailangan matuloy yung concert.